Hey, how are you doing today? It's day number 137, I think. And you catch me in my car in the car park of Newlands Forest, just getting myself a little bit presentable, because you're actually going to come along with me today to see a behind the scenes of shooting a course that I've been working on for a number of years. And not that I have been working for the full duration, but that I started it a number of years ago and I've just never completed it. But today is the day, so I'm so happy about that. My name is Abigail. I'm a confidence crusader on a mission to help women elevate their confidence. And I do that through these daily videos, which is a personal project of mine. It's a personal experience of my own journey of confidence, to commit to something that I said I would do, to contemplate confidence on a daily basis, and to maybe help somebody along the way every time I do that. If you feel like you could do with a boost of confidence, then consider subscribing to the channel. And of course, if you are in Cape Town or wherever you are in the world and you're looking for some photographs to help you elevate your confidence, then get in touch too. So these daily videos are prompted by my 365 Thoughts on Confidence book, which if you want your own copy, you are more than welcome to purchase your own. I'll put the link to the shop in the description below. Now let's take a look at what today's thought on confidence is. Self-awareness leads to self-acceptance, leads to self-appreciation. Fortunately, today I'm not alone in the thought on confidence. Today I have with me Angie and James. We've just wrapped up a video shoot with the two of them. They very graciously helped me with filming a couples camera coaching video, which I'm in production with. And so, James and Angie, you two are both very enlightened. What do you think of the thought of the day? That self-awareness leads to self-acceptance, leads to self-appreciation. What comes up for you?
For me, what comes up is definitely about taking that step every day, having that, thing that you think of, and actually putting it into reality.
Well, definitely, yeah. So the self-awareness is really, really important because it allows you to get more information from our environment, and that actually can give you more acceptance on the problems that we face, as well as some of the blessings, leading to better appreciation of life itself and all of the many things in it.
Absolutely. And I agree. I mean, you can't change anything about yourself unless you have that awareness. So everything always starts with awareness. I always say that. And with that awareness, then you know what you can change, what you can't change. And sometimes you can't change the things, and you've got to get to that point of accepting that. And when you get to that point of acceptance, that's where you find peace. And when you find that peace, then you can just be in a state of gratitude, and I think that's the best place of all to be in, is to always be grateful for your life experience, really, and things that are happening, lessons that you're learning through the good and the bad, because that's really what makes life worthwhile at the end of the day. And when you've got focus on gratitude all of the time, you feel supported, you feel like the universe is conspiring to help you, and I don't know about you, but that makes me feel confident, knowing that yes, everything's rigged in my favor, as they say.
And also, just one last thought from me also is, self-awareness to me is also somebody that's hugely courageous. So it's about being the courageous person to have that self-awareness and embracing that.
Yeah, because sometimes you don't like what you're actually looking at.
Exactly.
When you go into that journey of reflection and introspection, it's not always going to be rosy. It's not going to be always like the nice stuff. There's going to be some tough things there that you need to deal with.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and it takes courage. But you push through, and each time you push through, your confidence is built every step of the way. Cool. Thank you
Absolutely.
so much. Thank you for weighing in on today's thought on the confidence, and thank you so much for playing with me in the forest and being awesome. You two are just amazing.
That was great. Brilliant. Thank you so much.
Awesome. So that's the thought for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know what you think. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let us know in the comments down below. And please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications button, and share it with a friend of yours who potentially is not fully aware of her magnificence. Maybe she doesn't appreciate her magnificence. And let's all help raise each other's confidence. So until tomorrow, see you again.